properly. Farmers often withdraw water for a few hours before giving the treatment, just like you do for Lasota and Gomboro. Okay, do that the same for the worm. This helps the birds to consume the medication faster and more evenly. Alright, step 3, you have to mix correctly. Please mix correctly, because wrong dosage is one of the biggest mistakes in the poultry farming industry and can cost you a lot. Alright, so too little may not kill the worms. If you put too little medication, it may not kill the worm, and too much can stress or even poison the birds. So always calculate to the number and the age of the birds. Step 4 is treat all birds together. Don't separate them before you treat them. Do not deworm only few birds while leaving the others untreated. No, it will not work that way. Okay? So if one bird has worms, the chances are high that other birds are infected also. Okay? So step 5, clean the environment after deworming. This is very important, especially those farmers that are on deep litter. If you're on battery cage, okay, you can do, but especially for farmers on deep litter, which is on the ground, because after the treatment, many worms are passed and the eggs of the worms out through the droppings of the birds. So if litter remains dirty, the birds can become infected quickly. Alright, so replace wet litter, clean the drinkers, wash the feeders, and improve your sanitation. Now let's talk about common mistakes that farmers make during deworming. Mistake number 1 is ignoring biosecurity. Many farmers deworm but still keep birds in a dirty environment. It is not proper that way. That means reinfection continues immediately. Mistake number 2 is using expired drugs. Using expired drugs, always check for the expiry date before you use it. Before you get it from your supplier or from your vendor, check for the expiry date. Mistake number 3 is wrong dosage calculation. Give your birds 1-to-1. Alright? 1 liter to, in fact, just 1-to-1, 1 ml to 1 liter. Avoid combining too many medication at once unless advised by a veterinary. Alright? Mistake number 5. Not observing withdrawal periods. This is very important for layers and meat birds, which is broilers. Some dewormers have withdrawal period, meaning eggs or meat should not be consumed immediately after treatment for certain number of days. Okay? Always follow instruction. Alright? Protect your consumers. Now, let me give you practical tips to reduce worm infestation naturally on your farm. Number 1, maintain dry litter. Alright? Wet litter encourages parasite development and multiplication. Number 2, clean drinkers daily. Alright? Because dirty water spread infection quickly. Number 3, avoid overcrowding your beds. Too many beds in small space increase disease transmission. Okay? Number 4, practice regular sanitation. Clean your farm regularly and always. Disinfect the poultry house routinely. Alright? Number 5, quarantine new birds or sick birds in a separate apartment. Do not mix newly purchased bird or chicks immediately with older ones or with old stock. Number 6, control insects and rodents. Cockroaches, rats, and lizards should not be allowed. Get a cat to help you do this. They can carry parasite eggs around the farm. Okay? So now, Some farmers ask whether local or herbal remedies can work. The answer is yes, because some people use garlic, some even use pumpkin, which is vegetable seeds, bitter leaf, or neems as a traditional support method to deworm their beds. While some farmers report or benefits to severe worm infestation usually require veterinary dewormers for effective control. So don't rely only on herbs when the infestation is serious. The herbs is just for backyard farms. So early treatment saves your birds and prevent losses. Okay, so now let's discuss the economic impact or importance of deworming. Deworming is not just about birds' health. It directly affects profit. Healthy birds must grow faster. Healthy layers lay more eggs. Wow, I love this part. So healthy birds convert feeds better into meat or eggs. Healthy birds have stronger immunity over diseases and sickness. And remember, feed is one of the biggest expenses in poultry farming industry. If worms are stealing nutrients, then your profits are reducing silently every day. Okay, so this is why smart poultry farmers take deworming seriously. Before we end this video, here is my final advice for you. Alright? Take this serious and very important, please, if you want to do well in the poultry industry. Don't wait until your birds become weak before you take action whatsoever, whether antibiotics or deworming. Prevention is always cheaper and better than cure or treatment. Maintain good hygiene, please. Monitor your flocks regularly when you come to feed. Spend time to monitor your birds. Use quality medications and follow a proper farm health schedule. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our poultry masterclass videos. This is VC Agro Farm and Livestock, where healthy birds means more fun. See you in the next video. Thank you.